Ever since I found out about the term theory of relativity, the amount of times I've tried to search it up and try to understand what it means, because I feel like it's important to understand the basic theories and the basic facts about how the world works, you know? Ever since then, every few months, I try to go back to it to see if my brain has actually understood it and is able to comprehend the definition. It doesn't seem to work, you know? So I'm gonna come back to it now. Theory of relativity. I've searched up the theory of relativity. I can't even say it. A simplified version of the theory of relativity. Let's start with what it actually is. So, relativity is a theorem formulated by Einstein, which states that space and time are relative and all the motion must be relative to a frame of reference. Theory of relativity usually encompasses two interrelated theories, special relativity and general relativity. Special relativity involves how the basic particles of the universe interact with each other. It describes what happens in the physical world with the exception of gravity. That's where general relativity comes to help. It is an explanation of how gravitation laws relate to the other forces that occur in the nature. See, that's where I don't understand. Imagine that you're sitting in a dark theater. Okay, so let's imagine this. Sitting in a dark theater. You're on one side of it, and someone else is on the other. You're sitting further away from the stage. Light then moves up and down, crossing back and forth across the stage. Both you and the person watching will see the light movement. Your perspective is different. The perspective is different, but the laws regarding that movement remain the same. Now, if that theater were in outer space, the time it took for the light to reach you would be slightly longer than the other person. The speed at which it reached both of you would be the same. What does that mean? If a star is 4 light years away, the total distance is the amount of time it takes light to travel the distance from its source to our planet. Sunlight from the sun takes 8 minutes to reach the Earth. So 8 minutes is the equivalent to how many light years? Let's search that up. Here's to minutes. I don't even understand light years anyway. What the hell are light years? I just found out. Wait, that's million. 143,900,000. No wait, let me do this. 143,900,380. I cannot comprehend this. In 1 light year is about 9 trillion kilometers. Okay, I thank the Lord I didn't choose physics subject because I was trying to understand the general relativity. Yet when there is no gravity present, the tendency of free fall is to move downward when no force is exerted on the internal motion. What the fuck? This is not making it any better. What is this? No. So why if you wear a watch on your ankle, it will be slower than one on your wrist eventually. If you live in a basement, your aging would only be a fraction of a second slower than those on a mountain. On a larger scale, what it means is that the universe is expanding faster than light can travel as its outer. What the hell? What is? Unfortunately, I still don't understand. I'm gonna try and use. Okay, let's look at a different. Okay, National Geographic has a website and it says relativity explained in 4 simple steps. No, okay, this is not. I don't want this biography of Einstein. No thanks. I just want to know how his brain came up with this stupid idea. It's not stupid. I'm calling it stupid because I don't understand it. I don't know if anyone has understood this. No, I did genuinely try to understand. We're gonna keep trying. We're gonna come back every month, kind of try to absorb it into our brains. So, people who I just don't believe are real, I have 2. Alpha males and Mark Zuckerberg.
Nice job, team.
Him interacting with a person, a human. Alpha males, obviously, I believe in Scott McCall, the self-proclaimed ones. Alpha males are going to take over the world. And I've been trying to warn people about it. They're going to be the ones taking over the world. Alpha males, especially with podcasts. No one's going to listen. see through the future. I'm a genius. Am I a genius? I figured it out. I don't have an equation yet, but I do know my equation. Alpha males plus podcast equals Big Bang. All the alpha males come together. Boom, explosion. What I mean? No, I think you know what I mean. I think you know where I'm getting at. I'll see you tonight.